Yeah.
And I think that had a big impact on me. It's so natural to want to speed it up. And in a perfect world, I would love to get rich overnight, of course, but it's just not how it works. There's usually a natural speed at which these things occur. And when you try to speed them up above that level, it's going to come back to bite you.
And that's why a lot of these get rich quick schemes, you can never trust them.
You never trust it. Warren has a great quote about investing on margin, borrowing money. He says, if you're smart, you don't need it. And if you're dumb, you shouldn't be using it. Like there's no justification to be using it. I thought that was a big takeaway, but a lot of investors do. Even first-time retail novice investors, you open up an account with E-Trade or Robinhood and you can go into margin debt. You can borrow money to buy stock. And a lot of people don't realize the ramifications of that until you're in a bear market like we are now. And some of these stocks fall 50, 70, 80%, and they're wiped out. They lose everything.
Yeah.
It's a tough situation.
When you were researching these stories for the book, was it, what was the process like? Did you take 6 months to just go in a cabin and write the book and research all of these stories? Or?
It definitely wasn't that. I had spent over a decade writing about finance. I started as a blogger at the Motley Fool, and then I worked for the Wall Street Journal for many years. And then I started at the Collaborative Fund 6 or 7 years ago. So I've been a full-time writer for over a decade.